Hi guys, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable touch vibration on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So let's start our video. First thing you need to do is to go to the settings. In your settings menu, you need to scroll a bit where you will find the option sounds and vibration. You need to tap on it and then you will come to this menu here. You will find system vibration. If you scroll a bit, you will find system vibration. You need to tap on it, and here you see touch interaction. So if you disable this one, now if you touch the screen or go back, the system will not vibrate anymore. So this is how you're going to disable it. If you want to disable it for the charging, for navigation gestures, for camera feedback, dialing keypad, Samsung keyboard, so all from here you can disable that one. But if you want to just the intensity, you want to make it on the lower side, you can just slide it to the right of the screen or the left of the screen, so the intensity will change. So guys, I hope this video helps. If it does, please like the video, subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.